these are the Hot Wheels that I bought lately. Mainly, I think at the Walmart. I don't think I've really been going to Target lately. But well, actually, yeah, this one I already had it. That Super Rigs, that rusty look, and this is the new one. It's got like some rusty patina on it. It looks pretty cool. Like light blue, and the car is like black. Looks cool. I'm gonna open these up, and I'm also gonna open the Scania rally truck. It's the new color. You have the blue one, the first one. This is the recolor. Looks pretty like a rally style, like the colors and stuff. And I got a couple basics, like the lane lowrider. Look really nice. I like that paint job. And I did want to open one of these Mustang SVOs, 84. And this, man, I got some. Actually, I got 2 5-packs of the Nightburnerz. This one has a little Datsun truck right there. This is the one that people had been looking for. That purple, what is that? The McLaren Speedtail? Oh yeah, it's a pretty cool color. That purple. Actually, I do like that that color a lot. The all white Prelude looks pretty nice. And the yellow RX-7. And I guess it's like just like a fantasy car. It looks like a fantasy car, police car. Yeah, let me just open up all this up, and I'll show the 5-pack at the end. So the 2 rat rigs. These are actually pretty heavy piece. It's all metal base, plastic body, but it's got the metal engines, the metal skull in the front. That's actually pretty nice. And the whole cab is just plastic. Well, actually, this is metal too. It opens up. Looks pretty cool. This is the new color, the recolor. It's kind of like a turquoise, kind of greenish. Yeah, it looks pretty sick. Especially since I'm a big fan of the Bone Shaker. So this one I think is called the Speed Shaker or something like that. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Like both colors. I wonder if they would make another color this design, or maybe some sort of maybe next year it will be like different. But I wonder if we'll see this red rig again. I'm not really sure about those super rigs. I don't really collect those, but this one I did really like, the rat rig, especially with the car like that. Yeah, these cars are kind of big though. I don't know if they really fit in this back part, but yeah, it looks pretty cool though. So 2 rat rigs, a recolor. I got the Scania rally truck. This is the first color of the rally truck. Put this thing back. And this is the new one. It says M. Stewart Racing, number 68. That's pretty nice. It's a pretty cool color, but I think I like the blue one more. It's like yellow. That's pretty cool. And I think you can actually use these down like the track, right? I mean, that's what they were for. But yeah, these look pretty nice now. Whole rally look to them. And I also got the 84 Mustang SBO. It's a really nice color. I don't think I had opened one of these, right? Not sure. Maybe I did open one of these last time. I just opened another one. Not sure. I'll check right now. But this one I did want to open, the lane lowrider. It's the recolor. It's like a really kind of almost grayish blue. Some pink lines, gold lines, like brown. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I think I really like this cast mainly for the paint job, like the design. But I don't like the engine sticking out like that. I think it would have looked better without it. That's pretty cool. Cool cast. And now let me just open the Nightburnerz. I guess I'll start off with the fantasy car and then I'll go down. This is the packaging. It's the Nightburnerz. It does have the Datsun truck on the back. It's the what is it? Oh, Datsun 620. That's pretty sick. And like they put the recolor of the RX-7. So it's gonna be like a multi-pack exclusive, 5-pack exclusive. It's pretty cool. It actually looks like from the back it looks kind of like a Mustang or something. Just like a little fantasy, like futuristic police car. And this one has been in white, blue, and I think red too, right? Mazda RX-7 FC. That looks really cool. It's already a cool cast. This color's pretty nice, in yellow. This one I did want to get the Prelude in all white. I just painted everything. But it does have like some headlights, blacked out headlights, tail lights. Does have none of the like the VTEC details, right? Oh, actually it does. It's like really tiny. No license plate. Yeah, it's a really cool color in white like this. Looks clean. White wheels. It's got the black interior with the black headlights. Yeah, this one's probably like one of the best colors. Actually, the one I do need to get is the what I think it was like Dollar General exclusive, right? That one Prelude in green. I still need to get that one. I think I'm gonna like go on eBay and look for it. This one's really cool. The Datsun 620. It's got that Kaido house. Number 0. Datsun. It says Kaido on the heart. Grady Racing Team. It's a really nice color though. It's like a khaki color, like kind of little greenish kind of. I don't know how to say that, like a sand color. That's pretty cool that that's in the back. Yeah, it's a really nice cast. Datsun's always been like my favorite cast to collect. And the last one is this has somebody's DNA or that had a hair on it. What the hell? I wonder where that hair came from. A factory or something. The Hot Wheels factory. This is a really nice color, man. I really like this color. I'm not like a big McLaren fan. I like the Speedtail, whatever. But it looks pretty cool. But the color is really nice. I don't know. If I had to rate these, I'd say the Datsun is the best one. Then the white Prelude. Then the yellow RX-7. And the purple one, I like the color. And the police car is just like a fantasy model. But it's still pretty cool. This one. Got the two lowriders. Other Mustang. I think maybe I had opened one of these up already. I think I did. And then the two rat rigs. Scania trucks. These are pretty sick. It's just like really long. I wonder if we could take this off though. It's kind of like a One of those joint balls. I like the action figures. But maybe if I pop it out. I'll try it now. End up breaking it on cam. Well, that's pretty much it. Just stuff that I had bought. I haven't really been finding any basics lately. But those 5-packs, I got lucky because I saw that girl stocking in the morning. It was actually this morning too. I saw her stocking those 5-packs. So I got 2. Well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.